Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll be showing you how to install WordPress in 2025. So as you can see, I had a website that went down for some unknown reasons. I tried to troubleshoot and I took a backup. However, because of the new changes in the PHP and all the fatal errors that I received on this website, and I could not get this, but I still have the backup of the files which I will be uploading later. So I'm going to be showing you how to install a fresh WordPress website in the new settings in your cPanel in 2025. So log into your cPanel, and now you have an option here called WordPress Management. On the left, just select this from the options, and I have removed my current WordPress, so this will show that I don't have any WordPress installation. And you can also scan, so in case you have any errors or this thing, you can click on scan, and this will give you the error description on the right on this dialog box here. So I'll click on install, and this will open a new menu from the left, and it is now very simple and easy. This will give you some suggested WordPress title. You can change this to your website title. So in my case, it's my channel name, how to pro fix, and you can select the channel theme. I'll select this as e-commerce pack, no problem. And if you want, you can install a directory, and I will keep this version as default. And you can select the database administrator username. I'll select this same as my previous one, and I'll change this email to my channel email, which is howtoprofix@gmail.com. And once this is done, this will show you all the database installation, which you can do it later. Just click on install, and this will start installing the WordPress. This will first download and unpack the WordPress package. You can see the whole installation process is now changed and simplified in the newest version of PHP, which is good. But for someone like me who's accessing my WordPress website after a month, it's gonna be a little difficult to track. However, if you're installing the WordPress or setting up your website on WordPress for the first time, you can follow these instructions. So securing your website. So every day, I believe the PHP, because WordPress is one of the most widely used open source technology for websites, it's daily. The security is good. So installation complete. This will ask me to install plugins. If I want, I can directly install plugins from the cPanel without even setting up the website. So for now, I don't need nothing. So I'll close this, and let me access my website, how to profix. And you can see we have this howtoprofix.com, the sample blog. And if you want to access the admin, it's WP admin.